So the Kajabi community has just got a massive update. We're going to be covering off all of the updates and what that means to you if you are using your community in terms of how many products it will stack up against your product limit and how many access groups you are allowed. But before we jump in, I want to make you an offer. I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and get access to your account today. And as a thank you for using my link, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started my Kajabi journey. And that's just one of the awesome bonuses that I offer. More on those bonuses towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here we are inside my live Kajabi account, and we're here to look at what is new with the community. So following Kajabi Evolved launch, there's updates to the community. You used to get one community per site, but that would also count as your product limit. And then every access group you added onto that, which are the levels of community, they would also count as another product. So now every site gets a community and it doesn't count against your product limit. And then you can add as many multiple access groups as you would like, and they don't come off any product limits. So here I am inside my Kajabi. I've just clicked on community. If I wanted to add an access group, I've just got a free access group. I've got a training community right now. If I wanted to add another access group, I'm just going to go paid access group, continue. And then I already have a free one, so this one's going to be paid. You can have a one-time payment depending on the setup of your community. I'm going to go for subscription just for this video. Price, I'm going to go like $10 a month, and then build the interval. You can bill every week, month, year. I'm going to go month and then bill every 1 month. You can go 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, depends on how you want to bill your customers, but I'm just going to keep it simple, bill every 1 month. Select payment type, I'm going to use Kajabi Payments, and then I'm going to give the option of Apple Pay and Google Pay, save and finish. Now that's going to build me out an access group. So here we are in the access group. I've got a free and a paid now, and they're going to link to 2 different offers as well. So if you were to go into sales and offers, you'll see here, I've got a paid access group offer and a free access group. So just remember, you still need that offer to link in with your community for people to get access. So if I go back into my community, and then there are some settings here you can edit, but to actually edit the main community itself, you need to go to community. So here is my example community, Solo Creator Collective, and here's how it presents. Now, if you scroll down here, these are the main free access groups and then paid access groups. Currently there's meetups and Q&As in here, but you can link up certain access levels to either a free, a paid, or even a higher tier. So that's how you build out those access groups. And I have done another video on the complete build on how you build out this community, but I'm just going to show you a few new things here. If you go to the little 3 dots here and create new, I'm going to show you how to create a custom page, but I'm not going to have it as a page, I'm going to have it as a product. So if I put Kajabi Unboxed, and then I don't want to go to a URL, I want to go to a product, and then I'm going to click Kajabi Unboxed. You can either link it out into a new tab or keep it inside the community. And then I'm going to give this access to all members. Now you can also do this for a paid course or a paid product, and then you can link it to the people who have paid for the product. But as it's a free product, I'm just going to click save, and this is just going to populate down here on the left hand side. So whereas you see Kajabi Unboxed, if I click on that, and then that will open up, that is just going to open up into the product itself. Now, if you go into the settings, you can see if you click on customization, again, I have done a full walkthrough on how to build this all out, but you can then change this Kajabi Unboxed to the home page, click save. So anytime someone goes to your community, it's going to open up into your product. Similarly, you can do that with a landing page. You could do a welcome page. So here they're going to get access straight away. You could either link in with, if I was to go into create new and then create custom page, I could create a landing page or a welcome page or some steps, how to welcome people in, what they should be doing first, second, third in my community, link that page into here, and that could just be the welcome page. So that's the first time someone comes into your community, that's the page that they are welcomed in with if you wanted them to take some action steps. But that's what's new with community. You get one community per site. So if you have multiple sites, you have multiple communities, and it doesn't come off your product limit. And then you have multiple access groups. So really think about how you can position community first as people come to you and sign up, position community, and then you can even nestle all of your other products and services within this community. So there we have it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can identify something that you can take action on. So as a reminder, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. That is over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue past those 30 days free trial and you become a paying customer of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And when you become a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to offer you a second program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you access. Within this product, you'll be able to download templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi. And these are the sales page templates that I use in my business today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses that I do offer on that page. Hopefully you got massive value from this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the very next one.